Hey guys, today I just want to give a big shout out to G&Rb Trucking and Bobcat Services, Inc. Their phone number is 407-832-9316. And they're local in Volusia County. And if you call them, you can tell them that I told you about them at Homesteading 247, and you can get a 10% discount on your delivery fee. And that is if you're local. This is a family-owned business, and they are local in our area. I hope they're local in your area, and that you can give them a call and get yourself a discount. That's just about all I have today. I just wanted to share this with you and let you know that G&Rb Trucking and Bobcat Services are available to you. And they do grade all, they do ditches, they do it all. Just give them a call and you can find out more about what they do and if it's something that you might want done on your property. And don't forget to tell them that Connie at Homesteading 247 sent you over to them, and grab up that discount because we could all use discounts. So that's all I have today, you guys. Count your blessings, stay hydrated, and I'm actually just about finished unpiling that pile. I've got it all about right where it all needs to go, maybe about 2 or 3 bucket loads. And you guys are going to start seeing something on the side of the yard where I'm relocating trees from the other side because they're not doing too well over there. And I really needed this dirt to finish my project. And fall is here as of yesterday. And we've got to get some things going on out in that garden. And because I have this dirt and I have this mulch, which was free from chip drop, I am now able to get this stuff done. I am very, very blessed to have this dirt and have this mulch. Now I'm going to get my fingers in it and get my shovel in it, and we're going to start planting some things, you guys. I hope you have a lot to do in your garden because it's good for the soul. So far, this is what I've got done with that pile of dirt.